5 benefits of using air pump for car tires. Number 1. Proper tire inflation. One of the main benefits of using an air pump for car tires is that it ensures that your tires are properly inflated. When tires are underinflated, they can cause increased rolling resistance, which can lead to decreased fuel efficiency and increased emissions. Underinflated tires can also cause increased wear on the tire's tread and sidewall, which can shorten the lifespan of the tire. Properly inflated tires can also improve handling and stability, which can help to increase safety on the road. Number 2. Easy to use. Another benefit of using an air pump for car tires is that it is generally easy to use. Many air pumps are powered by electricity and have a simple and intuitive design. This makes it easy to inflate tires quickly and easily, without the need for special tools or skills. Additionally, many air pumps also have built-in pressure gauges, which make it easy to check the tire's pressure, which can help ensure proper inflation. Number 3. Portable. Many air pumps for car tires are portable, which makes them easy to use on the go. This can be especially useful for people who travel frequently or for those who need to inflate tires in remote locations. Portable air pumps can easily be stored in a trunk or garage, allowing you to inflate tires whenever and wherever you need to. Number 4. Cost-effective. Another benefit of using an air pump for car tires is that it is a cost-effective way to maintain your tires. Properly inflated tires can help to prolong the lifespan of the tire, which can save you money in the long run. Additionally, using an air pump can help to improve the overall performance of your tires, which can also help to save you money on fuel costs and on the cost of replacing tires. Number 5. Convenience. One of the most significant benefits of using an air pump for car tires is the convenience it offers. Inflating tires is a quick and easy task that can be done by anyone, and using an air pump makes the process even more convenient. With an air pump, you don't have to worry about finding a gas station or a service station that has an air pump available. You can inflate your tires whenever you need to, and in the comfort of your own home or garage. That's all from my video. I will make more helpful videos daily, so do subscribe to my channel. For any questions, please comment below. Thanks for watching.